everybody, and welcome to another edition of Beer of the Week. We are rolling hops. I'm Garrett, my partner here.
Andy.
And we are doing a special Father's Day episode this week. So happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. This one is for you.
Happy Father's Day, Garrett. You're a new dad?
Thank you, sir.
What's it feel like?
Somewhat new.
Yeah, somewhat new. About a year and a bit.
Yeah, a little year and a bit.
Year and a half, I suppose. Yeah. What's it like to be a dad? I'm not a dad. What's it like?
It's great. It's good. It's definitely a new, challenging experience. There's a lot of things that come along with it. Hard work for one, patience, and the ability to clean up messes in a very efficient manner. I'd say they're the top 3 skills of being a dad.
What's the most rewarding part of being a dad?
Oh, that's a tough question. The most rewarding part of being a dad? Smiles and giggles. So once you see your son or daughter actually smile and giggle after you put in all the work and you're tired and you don't want to clean anymore and you're done with like mush for dinner. Smiles and giggles, they get you through the day, my friend.
That's a beautiful answer. What are we drinking today?
Cheers, thank you. So we're drinking a pale ale from Town Brewery. They're out in Whitby, Ontario. Whitby, Ontario. Pale ale is a very classic style of beer. Smells lovely. Definitely an American style. I'd say an American style pale ale. I don't know if you'd actually deem this an American style pale ale necessarily, simply because Town didn't actually put that on a label. But if you're going to compare it to, let's say, some classic traditional style pale ales, this one is a little bit more hop forward. You're getting that, especially right off the bat when you smell it. I haven't had a sip yet, so cheers to that, and we'll take a sip.
Cheers. Cheers, Dad.
Pale ale is pretty much like the little brother of an India Pale Ale. You get all the same flavors, all the same aromas, but maybe in a little bit more of a reduced format. Not as bold, not as powerful, not as in your face with the Pale Ale compared to the India Pale Ale, and typically a little less alcohol by volume. I'm pretty sure this one here is 5%, which is very typical of the Pale Ale style, anywhere between 4.8 to about 5.2, whereas your India Pale Ale might start at about 5.5, maybe 6.2 plus. For ABV. Everything's a little bit more intense, a little bit more bold for the India Pale Ale.
Something that really resonates with this for me is the color. It's not as thick or hazy yet.
Pale?
And a little more pale, as it were. Yeah, it's not typically nowadays your typical New England IPA, your hazy IPA. It'll be like really, really hazy. It'll be really like kind of thick looking, like not very transparent.
Like juice.
Yeah, very juicy looking, but this is it's pretty transparent. Doesn't look like an IPA by any stance.
Oh, it's good. Holds true to the style. Sort of this light hay golden color. Drinks easy, goes down really smooth. Guys and ladies at Town did a really, really good job in brewing this beer. Until next time, we're Rolling Hops. Have a great Father's Day. Share a brew with your dad, or any other beverage for that matter. If your dad's not a big beer fan, then you can share a whiskey, scotch, a gin, a vodka.
Scotch sounds great. Happy Father's Day, Garrett.
Scotch. Cheers.
Craft beer
is here.